Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm back again on Igbo. This one choked me. Former governor of Rivers State, Rotimi Amaechi, has dropped a heavy one. He's asking, why do Ikwerre people deny being Igbo when everything about them is Igbo? Watch this video and we'll be right back.
Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Actually, my Igbo brothers, when they say they are not Igbos, I say, let me mention one word in Ikwerre that has no similarity with an Igbo word. I also tell them, if you say you are not Igbo, I'm going to Ikwerre, well, if you say the big man, the only Ikwerre big man, they are not expert for saying that he's Igbo. If you say you are Ikwerre, if you are Ikwerre man, you say you are Igbo man, they will expect you. But for people like us who have been governors, they just ignore us. But I've told them that if you say you're not Igbo, look at the way you dress and look at the way the man dresses. The same type of cap, right? The same wrapper and penny. It's not the same. How do you identify people? By culture, by language, right? I've talked about language, I've talked about culture and dressing. And culture includes feeling. The Ikwerre man eats nothing than ever 3 times a day. But let's diversify what the Ikwerre man eats. The Ikwerre man eats pepper soup with yam in the morning. That's what the Ikwerre man eats in the morning. In the afternoon, ever. In the evening, ever. There's what the Ikwerre call you know what Igbo food, right? So what's the difference between the Ikwerre man and the Igbo man? The Ikwerre man says Igbo man. You know what I said? I said maybe you must have brought our parents so badly that they don't want to be identified as Igbo again because you brought us so badly. But whatever it is between you people and our parents. We need to move this country forward.
The language, the culture, the food, the dressing, even the names. So the question is, are Ikwerre people Igbo? Let's talk about it now. If you say you are not Igbo, Amaechi, he did not mince word to say this. And I want to quote him again. He said, if you say you are not Igbo, then explain why you speak the same language, wear the same wrapper. Rapper, okay? The same scarf, and live by the same traditions. How else do you define who is Igbo? Even in that video I played some time ago in this channel, the man was saying Ihuela, and he's saying it's not Igbo. What is Ihuela, Itetana, Ikudiena? These are all variations of Igbo language. Meanwhile, if you are not Ikwerre and you want to argue this, especially these people that are non-Igbo that come around to argue this, argue with your shadow. You hear? Rotimi Amaechi is a former governor of Rivers State, and he is in the capacity to shape several opinions and, speak for himself. Okay, let me say he's in the capacity to speak for himself, and it's from Ikwerre. You see, the languages are almost the same. Ikwerre is an Igbo dialect. Same language family. Even the way the elders greet, celebrate New Yam, do traditional weddings. Now the same vibes. The same vibes. Yes, the same vibes. So, why do some Ikwerre people reject the Igbo identity? History holds the answer. During the colonial rule and after the Biafra War, political powers tried to divide the Igbo nation. Some communities were told they would get more favors if they distanced themselves from Igbo community, or they distance themselves from Igbo identity. It is sad, but that is the truth. Many were pressured to choose politics over heritage. That was the problem. Whatever Ikwerre does, Like you heard him say, you eat garri morning, evening, night. That is everything they do. They are just a variation of Igbo. Just like Anambra, you hear, okay, let me use Abia, for example. Abia could say Guzo. Some could say Olu. Some could say Kwolo. But we all understand each other. These are from Southeast Igbo first. You understand? And that is it. Ehoyala, Itetana, Ikudiera. Ikwerre people, some will say Ehoyala. That is still Igbo. It is not different. It is just a variation. And I know some people will be arguing, they will tell you, they say, they call their heart Ovi, Ovu, Ovunda. Some part of Anambra, not just Anambra, calls Obi, Ovu, Obi, Ovu, in case you don't know. So, Ndibanye, we cannot let politics divide us. Politics cannot erase our identity. If language, culture, tradition, and values say we are one, then let's act like one. Forget about the politics. Everything we do are alike. Let me tell you, even among the Southeast Igbos, there are certain words that we say that are different. But it doesn't take the other person. Not even just among the states. So, if you shift from this local government or from this area to this area, you will see some variations. And that is how I see Ikwerre people. So for some of them will come and tell you, what do you call this? It is not what we call this. It happens. But most of what you call this is what we call this. You get me? You get what I'm saying? We are the same. Whatever happened between our parents and others, we must move forward and build a stronger future together. Whatever has happened, forget about it. Some said during the war, this and that, this and that. So, what do you think? Are the Ikwerre people Igbo? I agree they are Igbo. They are not a separate nation. Or do you think so? Drop your comment on the comments. But I want to tell you, one thing is sure. Unity is power. And when people speak with one voice, no power can stop us. When we speak with one voice, that's the Igbo people, no power can stop us. So, you saw that video again. So you saw in that video, that guy is former governor of Rivers State, whole Rivers State. Some people are telling us, Wike said this. What of Amaechi? What did Amaechi say? And many of them. What divided us is politics. Nothing else. Politics, I'm telling you. Remove politics. Easy, easy. Please, viewers, share this video widely. Remember, I belong to a group for Igbo unification. The name of the group is Ndị Na-Asụ. And we have a conference that is coming up soon. And I would like you to come. And I would like you to sponsor it. I think I will share the flyers soon here. Thanks for watching. Ndị Igbo, bye-bye now.